In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly book your next grooming or beauty appointment using Booksy. Whether it's a haircut, a spa session, or any beauty service you desire, Booksy has got you covered with its convenient and easy to use online booking platform. First things first, let's head over to the Booksy website. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL for Booksy. Once there, you'll be greeted with a welcoming interface showcasing a variety of service categories like hairstylists, barbers, and beauticians. This platform makes it incredibly easy to navigate and find exactly what you're looking for. Next, it's time to search for and select the specific service you want. Whether you're looking for a trendy new haircut, a relaxing massage, or some professional skincare treatment, just type your desired service into the search bar. As you type, Booksy will offer suggestions to help refine your search, making sure you get the closest match possible to what you need. Once you've decided on the specific kind of service you're after, the next step is to actually select it. Booksy will provide you with a list of providers offering that service in your area. Take your time here, browse through the options, and check out the reviews from past clients to ensure you make the right choice for yourself. Remember, a little bit of research goes a long way in securing a satisfying experience. When you've narrowed down your options and made a choice, it's time to proceed to the next step: booking. Simply click on the book button next to your chosen service provider's details. This will lead you to a new page where you'll be able to customize your appointment further. Now comes the fun part: choosing your preferred date and time. Booksy will display a calendar along with available slots for the selected service. Scan through the options and choose a date and time that best fits into your schedule. Flexibility is key here. Peak times might fill up quickly, so try to be open to different possibilities if your first choice isn't available. With your date and time picked, all you need to do is click on Continue to move forward in the process. This will guide you through any additional steps necessary for confirming your appointment, such as registering or logging into your Booksy account if needed. Finally, you're almost there. The last step is to click on the Confirm and Book button. This finalizes your appointment and ensures your spot